So yesterday I spoke to you about this beautiful leaf that I picked up as I was walking, and one of the things it reminded me of is just how small a picture we sometimes have of our faith, of the God we serve, of the Father that loves us so much, and of the creation out there. And the reason why I'm saying that is that there would be, I'm sure, people out there that maybe even listen to this, or people that would look at this by chance and maybe not by chance, but would have a scientific explanation for this. And that would be the thing that we would like to hold on to because that makes sense in our small little worlds. That we want to be in control of. Things must make sense, and that will make sense. What would not make sense, and I love to live a life that wouldn't make sense to the world, would be that. Imagine that God sent an angel to put that there. I mentioned that yesterday. And that's a story that I would like to believe. That's a story that I'm going to hold on to because that speaks so much more of the God that I serve. That speaks so much more of my dad, the one that loves me so much. That's just absolutely crazy about me. And that's created all these things for me. And that's got this promise of the restoration for me. And so I want to believe that that is what he would do. And regardless of what you come with as an explanation for this, if you look at the two stories, which one would you rather like to believe this morning? And so as we walk into this journey, I would like to encourage you to stay with me and just start, maybe just a little bit, start dreaming about this as we're going to unpack some of the stuff. Not because I have all the answers, but just because I can see around me and I can just experience things that I would just love to share with you in the excitement. And maybe today, just a little bit, allow yourself just a little bit to get excited about this and going, what if that was the case? Can we imagine that the stuff that we can't see that happens around us, that in that space, it could just be possible today that an angel came down and left this in the middle of the road, knowing that I was going to walk past there, and that this would bring back some excitement this morning to me in a space where, my mind was a little bit troubled as I was walking and trying to figure out some conversations I have to have today. And right there was this thing. And I can tell you, the rest of my walk this morning was just, I had moments where I just had goosebumps because of just moments with my dad, and that's what the story is about for me today. So I'm hoping that you would be getting excited to just think about the restoration that is waiting for us, the inheritance that is out there for us as beloved children of the Most High God.